Got a pineapple candle lit, a few beats I'm thumbing through, thoughts spill over like some homemade soup. I'm cooped up in a city where being an influence is based on bank numbers and who ride 22s. Love my squad, I'm better off chilling in seclusion. A cup half full, optimistic point of view. After all the things I've seen, I try to be far removed from nightclubs and the crowds. I mean, look what happened to proof. Eyes aching from a lack of sleep. Gang of friends, RIP, and already I can't be a part of they charades. I'm a capable lady who be holding her own like a mother with a baby tucked in her arms. It's time to wake up, nigga, ring the alarm. I'm just trying to feast and rub arms with all of my day ones. A musical coup d'etat, translation, I'm overtaking your speaker box. Tomboy to the core, to the soul of my sneaks. I like a man with a T.O. physique. Love is used lightly, a rolling stone with a bit of mystique. Integrity over everything, strength where my melons hang. Naturally from the way that them sucking happiness Adam made. Losing my religion like the R.E.M. ballad say. One woman band, no Danity Kane. I found my voice again, Eureka, this the dawn of new age. Touche, I'm over your brain, toupee. Lupe said kick push, damn I forgot how to skate. I put my feet to the gravel, life ain't no cakewalk. I gladly welcome the challenge, I'm staying true to the death. So when I'm dilly departed, the deacon will say I'm solid as a rock. I want the kind of bond Ashford and Simpson got. Want an 83 cutlass with that box body, so I can Ike Turner them corners beating down your block. I think I found a pond, I mean the fountain of youth. Be humble, these people egos be as big as Respucia. On my soup coolers, fusion of the past and the future. Undisputed, standing tall, and can't none of y'all move me. Too rude to see I do this for my tribe like the Tutsis. Too legit, see I'm starting to accumulate groupies. Got so much drive, man, all I do is talk reckless. Get my message across the Mississippi, chopper the checklist. Ain't checking for you peasants in your tight leather getups. See your image, your gimmicks, and your soul so separate. No misquotes, spoke bone, it's for show I said it. So much food for thought, I bottle it and sell it. LA to IE, so every day I rep it. Just a regular homegirl with a microphone fetish. Respect it, it's Millie. It's illustrated B-sides. Yo, it's illustrated B-sides. Yo, it's Il Camille on this mic. Yo, and my rhymes is real tight. Now vibe out. MC's boogie too, you feel me?